so short.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Hi.
What have you done?
I don't know.
Lock and load system.
What? It's not good. You're not. What have you done to my machine gun?
She bad.
I got this now.
I really hope you fixed it.
Sucks. Take two.
I gotta look up to you.
Yeah, you do
You
look
have
up
eyelash
to
in
me.
your face.
Why don't you blow on it and make a wish, damn it? Go find it. Word up.
Duck word.
That's the homie.
Kuya.
This is the Hamburglar.
Bless
And
this
we
house.
tell you to shut the fuck up.
Tread.
No, that's the thing. You don't say the F word.
Clean up our mouths because we've been disgusting lately with the words. I'm not putting it in my mouth.
Okay.
Dirty mouth. Clean it up with
Smirnoff.
Smirnoff. Any fucking thing.
No, freaking.
Like that.
Hey, look, it's a bird. It's a plane. It's Amber's car.
My ass sits on your ass. Now we're the same height.
Freaking. Stinking.
Freaking. Don't freaking pound on my wall. I wonder why we're jogging in this.
Let me pull up my britches. Why is it so hard for us?
I think it's the
Oh yeah, I did it.
Did I just slam you in the
No.
face? Don't touch me. My foot hurts. Yeah, that's 5150. The beer thing, and they all like hold the beers. Shut up! You're such a butch.
Okay.
Have you just been standing there?
OJ.
The douche man. Bye. Bye.
Let's cause chaos.
Don't let them know, guys. You're down and nap in there every day.
Dog. Hey, we can do handstands now. We're touching the ceiling and stuff.
Now watch this.
Okay.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay, it was almost touching, right?
I got little legs. Just don't put a hole in my wall.
Okay.
My turn.
Oh.
Where's the ceiling? You're never gonna reach the
I
ceiling.
mean the wall.
Come on, where are you at? Maybe we should stop. Go!
Stand back.
I feel like I'm handling your
Thug life.
We should probably stop.
Word to your mother.
Sup with it.
So we should go make a sandwich.
Give it to him.
Boom.
Go! Boom, nigga! Bow, bow! Click, clack, and pow, pow!
Go. You wanna bet? You better watch your
Don't
face.
kick me in the head.
Hey, give me another shot. Give me another chance.
Crazy.
In his house.